further ado, what you all been waiting for, let me pull up something that I was using earlier today. This is pretty short. I'll get this right here. Okay. Here we go. This is a video I was editing earlier today on the microphone I was showing you. If you guys want to go watch that video, definitely go do so. If not, then don't. I'm going to just do about a minute. I will say, when it comes to rendering time on LumaFusion, however long the video is that you're editing is however long it's going to take to for it to render. That's one of the things that I don't like about it, but I guess it's kind of to be expected because it's a Chromebook. It's not really a powerful machine. Like earlier today when I was editing the video, I was showing you all the microphone I did. It was like a 12-minute video. It took about 3.5, 4 minutes to render on my PC, versus if I had done it on LumaFusion, it took 12 minutes for it to actually render, which I don't really have a problem with. I guess if you're not anything to do, it's fine. So let me go real quick, place real quick, space bar. So let me just go real quick back to the beginning. You go up here, title. Let me choose a nice title. I don't know what I want to do. I'll put it right here. Let's see. So right here, you go to the pencil. It'll automatically take you to the screen where you want to add the words. Here, add your text. I will put, go right here. I will put Dale Reviews. Zeo Sound K66B. And then now we done with that. Go back. So video comes on right there. And if I wanted to put a lower third, what's this right here? Okay, I don't like that one. No. I did this one. No, I did this one. Okay. Well, I put a lower third. Sorry, you start to think you want to choose one, and you see a bunch of other ones. Just use this one. So y'all know my name when y'all watch the video. Not that it matters, but just to show you. Go back to the pencil icon again. Text right here. Dale. Name on my channel. MDMD Reviews. usually when I make videos, I make them very simple. I don't really do color correction, anything like that. Now right here, if you wanted to, let me see, what's this right here? Right here, if you wanted to do color correction, I'll play with it for the sake of this video. I'll just play with it a little bit. I guess I'm not playing with it. Let's go back. They have something called story blocks. I'm assuming they're like different backgrounds and effects and things like that. I think some of them are free. Then some of them, if you actually like them, you gotta pay for them. But again, I keep my video edits real simple. I will say one of the things that Luma doesn't have that I don't really like too well is that they don't really have good audio plugins or effects. And me, I have a background in audio, so for someone like me, I would want to have something like that where I could have different audio effects. So that's one of the things that I didn't like about it. But if you double click, on it, where's the right here? You go to audio. They do have different audio filters, and really, I normally just stick to dynamic processor and limiter. And I say limiter because let's say my audio is too hot or whatever, and I'm not really sure. I don't really feel like going through the whole video. I just set it to like, well, let's set it to like negative 5. So there you go. And right here, if you go right here, you can make it faster or slower. It's up to you. Again, I don't really fool with any of that stuff. Fit the frame. I'm not gonna fool that stuff either. Right here is what I was saying earlier. Is it gonna show me? Is it gonna show us? So, go back. Okay, let's see. Is it gonna see? Boom. High contrast. Fade. I like warm up, but I go back to the original. Because when I edit videos, I don't really do too much color correction, color grading. It's just I'm just doing reviews about products. What do I need to fix color for? And let's go ahead and render it. To render, you go right here. Go to movie, or if you just want to do audio, you can do audio right here. My files. I didn't create a name for my project, did I? No, I didn't create a name for my project. Say mic review. Yep. SD card is gonna go here. Use this. Okay. And I will let you all see in real time how long it takes to render. That's why I was thinking to myself, LumaFusion is great for somebody who only has the budget for uh, only have the budget for a Chromebook. Don't really have the budget to go out and spend a lot of money for uh, um, a gaming laptop, which is probably what you'll probably need to edit video. Probably the bare minimum i3. But for someone who doesn't have that budget or doesn't really want to go out there and spend that kind of money, you can just get you a affordable Chromebook and use LumaFusion. And I think LumaFusion it's great for what it does, but it does have limitations. As I stated, I don't like that I can't add audio plugins. And for someone like me who has an audio background, that's kind of what I live for. More times than often when I edit videos, I think I spend more time on the audio than I do the actual video, as you could probably see for yourself. But it's great. It's simple. I think anybody can use it. If you have a Chromebook or Android, it's a wonderful tool to use. I can't find any complaints with it besides what I said about the audio plugins. That's about it. As you can see for yourself, it's rendering in real time. Like I said, if you're somebody who wants to do videos 12 to half an hour, I mean, you can do that, but you're gonna be spending a lot of time waiting for it to render. And I didn't edit as much as I would. Usually I would have went in and I would have cut some things out and cut out this but just for the sake of the video, I just wanted you guys to see what it has to offer, the titles, the audio filters that it does have, the lower thirds, and the rendering time. And let's go back and watch it real quick. Let's go back and watch it. Hold on, let me find this on my Chromebook so you can watch it. Just take me. Oh. There you go. So as you can see, watch the whole video, but as you can see, LumaFusion, if you wanted to edit on Chromebook, it does work, just as long as you meet the specifications, as I said, for having the 8 gigs of RAM on a Chromebook.